Athuja synepium, a remedy of cholera infantum, vomiting and diarrhea in children in hot summer season. This is for those cases that comes so suddenly that even the mother doesn't suspect that her child is sick. He was well, playing, and now he is sick. Milk comes up as soon as it is swallowed, with great effort and with much exhaustion and sleepiness after vomiting. Sometimes the curds are so large that mother cannot realize that her child has ejected it out. Milk is either ejected out in the form of sour curds or partly sour curds and partly liquid milk. With great effort and great exhaustion afterward. If this condition is not cured, then child will go into cholera infantum with watery, green or slimy stools, with colic and convulsion, with great exhaustion and sleepiness. The child has appearance as if dying, hypocritic looks. There is white, blue, yellow line above the upper lip with sunkenness around the nose, and with great drowsiness and comatose condition. And the mother is so frightened that he immediately calls for the doctor. The child is so exhausted and drowsy, he wakes up, swallows the milk and immediately vomits it out either in curdy form or in liquid form. And there is great exhaustion afterwards and he sinks into sleep. If he is not treated at this stage, he will not be able to survive more than 2 or 3 days. Athuja has convulsions of children and sometimes in brain troubles, stomach is not affected and child goes into convulsion with extreme exhaustion and sleepiness, sweaty head, clammy hands. It cures dyspepsia from constant feeding. It cures dyspepsia in nibblers who are always hungry and always eating something or the other thing. They will keep on eating till the stomach ceases to digest. One characteristic symptom of Athuja synepium is complete absence of thirst, with great prostration and anxiety. Absence of thirst distinguishes it from arsenic. I would like to add one symptom from Dr. Clark dictionary, that is the patient is unable to think, to retain any idea, to read, to fix his attention on particular topic study because of over-taxation of mental faculties. We all have been through it. During the exams we has experienced this kind of condition, or when to crack for some entrance test or some competitive exams where we have to push our limits beyond our capacity. Dr. Clark gave Athuja synepium to an undergraduate boy who has given up his studies. But after Athuja, he resumed his studies and complete it with excellent success. Enough for today.